The ideal 958 wire tracing kit is reported to be a very good kit, offering ease of use and accurate results. The transmitter is powerful, enabling wire tracing through walls, floors, and ceilings. The receiver is sensitive, readily picking up the signal from the transmitter. It comes with a carrying case, alligator clips, and a probe. The kit is considered affordable. The transmitter's bulkiness is cited as a potential drawback. The receiver's usability may be affected in noisy environments. The absence of a built-in tone generator is also noted. Overall, the ideal 958 wire tracing kit is recommended as a good value for its price and accurate results. When using the kit, ensure the transmitter and receiver are set to the same frequency. Employ the alligator clips to connect the transmitter to the wire being traced. Use the probe to touch the wire you are tracing. Adjust the receiver's sensitivity until you can clearly hear the signal from the transmitter. Follow the signal from the transmitter to the receiver to trace the wire's path. When tracing wires, remember that electrical codes and safety practices are paramount. Always de-energize circuits before working on them. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified electrician. A wire tracing kit like the ideal 958 helps locate wires without cutting into walls. It does this by sending a signal down the wire, which can then be picked up by the receiver. The receiver emits a tone, increasing in volume as you get closer to the wire. This allows you to pinpoint the wire's exact location, even if it's hidden behind drywall or buried in a conduit. There are some key considerations when using a wire tracing kit. Firstly, understanding the path of electricity. Electricity flows in a complete loop from the source, through the load, and back to the source. Therefore, to effectively trace a wire, you need to connect the transmitter to both ends of the circuit, or at least create a complete circuit. Secondly, proper grounding is important. Grounding ensures that the signal from the transmitter is properly conducted through the wire, improving the receiver's ability to detect it. Thirdly, dealing with shielded wires. Shielded wires, commonly used in sensitive electronic circuits, can block the signal from the transmitter. In such cases, you may need to disconnect the shield at one end to allow the signal to pass through the wire. Fourthly, understanding signal bleed. Sometimes, the signal from the transmitter can bleed into adjacent wires, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact wire you are looking for. This is more common in tightly bundled wires or when the wires are running close to metal objects. Adjusting the transmitter's power level and the receiver's sensitivity can help minimize signal bleed. Safety precautions are critical. Always energize the circuit before connecting the transmitter. Never work on live circuits unless you're a qualified electrician and have the proper safety equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid contact with any exposed metal objects. The ideal 958 is a valuable tool for electricians and homeowners alike, simplifying the process of locating wires without causing damage. By following the tips and safety precautions, you can use the kit effectively to troubleshoot electrical problems, install new wiring, and perform other electrical tasks. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work, always consult a qualified electrician. Understanding how wire tracing kits work helps to use them effectively and safely. The transmitter injects a specific frequency signal into the wire. The receiver is tuned to detect that specific frequency. This allows it to differentiate the signal from background noise and other electromagnetic interference. The strength of the signal detected by the receiver is inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. As you move the receiver closer to the wire, the signal strength increases and the tone becomes louder. Conversely, as you move the receiver away from the wire, the signal strength decreases and the tone becomes quieter. This relationship allows you to pinpoint the exact location of the wire. The ideal 958 comes with different accessories. The alligator clips are used to connect the transmitter to the wire. The probe is used to touch the wire and listen for the signal. The carrying case helps protect the kit and keeps all the components organized. Tone generators are a separate tool that can be used with a wire tracing kit. A tone generator injects a distinct tone into the wire, making it easier to identify. Some wire tracing kits come with a built-in tone generator, while others require you to purchase it separately. While the Ideal 958 doesn't have a built-in tone generator, it can be used with an external one. Here are some troubleshooting tips for using a wire tracing kit. If you are not getting a signal, check the batteries in both the transmitter and receiver. Make sure the transmitter and receiver are set to the same frequency. Ensure the alligator clips are securely connected to the wire. Try adjusting the sensitivity of the receiver. If you are still not getting a signal, there may be a break in the wire. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the wire. If you are getting a weak signal, try moving the transmitter closer to the wire. Reduce any electrical interference. Try different grounding points. If you are getting a false signal, make sure the transmitter and receiver are set to the correct frequency. Check for signal bleed from adjacent wires. Shield the wire you are tracing with a metal object. Remember to always disconnect the power. Safety first. When choosing a wire tracing kit, consider the following factors. Firstly, the range of the transmitter. A more powerful transmitter will be able to trace wires over longer distances. Secondly, the sensitivity of the receiver. A more sensitive receiver will be able to pick up weaker signals. Thirdly, the accessories included with the kit. Make sure the kit comes with the accessories you need for your specific application. Fourthly, the price of the kit. Wire tracing kits range in price from a few dollars to several $100s. Choose a kit that fits your budget and meets your needs. The Ideal 958 is a good option for both professionals and homeowners. It is affordable, easy to use, and provides accurate results. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive kits, it is a reliable tool that will help you get the job done. The Ideal 958 tracing kit does not come with a built-in tone generator. A tone generator injects a specific, identifiable tone into a wire, which the tracing receiver then detects, even without a direct electrical connection. The tone is useful for identifying specific wires amongst a bundle, or tracing wires in complex circuits. The absence of an internal generator in the Ideal 958 might mean carrying a separate tone generator tool if this functionality is critical. One needs to consider the environment in which the tracing is taking place. Noisy environments can interfere with the receiver's ability to pick up the signal from the transmitter. In these situations, consider using headphones or earplugs to block out the background noise. Adjusting the receiver's sensitivity can also help to filter out the noise. Furthermore, be mindful of metal objects in the vicinity, as they can also interfere with the signal. Keep the receiver away from metal objects as much as possible. Tracing wires in older homes or buildings can be more challenging due to the presence of outdated wiring methods. Older wiring may not be properly grounded, or the insulation may be damaged. This can make it difficult to get a clear signal from the transmitter. In these situations, be extra careful and take your time. If you are unsure about anything, consult a qualified electrician. The Ideal 958 wire tracing kit, like all such tools, relies on electromagnetic fields. Understanding how these fields behave is crucial for successful wire tracing. The transmitter generates an electromagnetic field around the wire to which it's connected. This field radiates outwards and can be detected by the receiver. The strength of the field decreases with distance from the wire. The receiver detects the electromagnetic field and converts it into an audible tone. The louder the tone, the stronger the field, and the closer the receiver is to the wire. Metal objects can distort electromagnetic fields. This is why it's important to keep the receiver away from metal objects when tracing wires. When tracing wires in walls, floors, or ceilings, be aware of the presence of metal studs, pipes, and other objects that can interfere with the signal. In some cases, it may be necessary to use a metal detector to locate these objects before tracing the wires. Be mindful of the limitations of wire tracing kits. They are not foolproof and may not work in all situations. Sometimes, it may be necessary to use other methods to locate wires, such as visual inspection or wire mapping. Wire mapping involves systematically identifying and labeling all the wires in a circuit. This can be a time-consuming process, but it can be very helpful for troubleshooting electrical problems in the future. Furthermore, wire tracing kits cannot detect energized wires if not used with proper methods. You need to use appropriate techniques for live circuit tracing. When tracing wires, always start with a plan. Before you begin, take some time to think about what you are trying to accomplish. Identify the circuit you want to trace and gather any relevant information such as wiring diagrams or circuit maps. Determine the best approach for tracing the wires, taking into account the location of the wires and any potential obstacles. Have a clear understanding of where the circuit originates and terminates. This will help you narrow down the search area and make the tracing process more efficient. The Ideal 950A wire tracing kit is a valuable tool for anyone who works with electrical wiring. By understanding how the kit works and following the tips and safety precautions outlined here, you can use it effectively to troubleshoot electrical problems, install new wiring, and perform other electrical tasks. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work, always consult a qualified electrician. It is a tool designed to send a signal along a wire, which is detectable by its receiver. This allows the user to trace the path of the wire without needing to physically inspect it along its entire length, for example, when it's behind walls or under floors. Understanding how the transmitter sends the signal is important. The transmitter imposes a modulated signal onto the wire. This modulation is the key that the receiver uses to identify the correct wire amidst many. The user can then find the wire with the receiving end. There are limitations on the length of the wires that one can trace. The longer the wire and the more complex the wiring, the weaker the signal becomes at the receiver. Users need to use caution when attempting to trace extremely long runs of wire. Therefore, using the wire tracing kit is helpful to understand the layout of the electrical system being traced. Reviewing electrical drawings or schematics, if available, can provide valuable information about the wiring pathways and connections. This can help you to predict the likely route of the wire and make the tracing process more efficient. If drawings are not available, try to visually inspect the area to identify any clues about the wiring layout. For example, look for electrical boxes, conduit runs, or other visible wiring components. By gathering as much information as possible before you start tracing, you can increase your chances of success. Remember that the tracing kit detects an electrical signal. In cases where the wire is damaged, significantly corroded, or disconnected, the tracing signal will weaken or disappear. Check for common locations for these issues like junctions. The wire tracing kit can be used on coaxial cables for cable television or network connections, speaker wires, telephone wiring, alarm system wiring, and low voltage lighting. A key step when tracing is isolation of the wire. Disconnect the wire you intend to trace from any active circuits or other wires. This will prevent interference and ensure a clean signal. Use insulated tools to disconnect wires safely.